Hi everyone, today I want to talk about this viral foot peeling mask. Yes, I got it from Shein for $3 and all the instructions mentioned on the back side, and it comes with two masks for both feet. First instruction is just you have to soak the feet in warm water for 20 minutes and then apply the mask. Then massage your feet with your hands very gently just for absorbing all the sebum and leave it on for 25 minutes. After this, take it off and now just rinse your feet with normal water. By the way, they claim that this mask peels your dead skin in 3 to 4 days. But for me, it started working after 5 to 6 days, but this peeling is not that much. However, it does make my feet very soft and very clean. I am very happy because it is working for me. You have to give it a try and let me know in the comments. Follow for more.